Hey Sophia, it's Madam Sophie here again to do another review. This time I'm going to be reviewing this Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow Mini palette. This is a mini blush and highlighter powder palette. Even though it looks like pink, this looks like pink and this looks like champagne, but when you swatch it, guys, it is completely it's a complete game changer. So before I go on to try this, let me just do a quick swatch of these colors. So I'm going to do a quick swatch for you guys to see. So this is Diamond Powder. So this one is called Diamond Powder and this one is called Duo Glow. So this is Diamond Powder just swatched. As you can see, it looks pink in the pan, but when you actually diffuse it, it looks like kind of a rose gold color. This is what it looks like diffused. Okay, and let me just wipe my finger real quick. And the other one is called Duo Glow. I'm gonna do a quick swatch for you guys to see. So Duo Glow is right next to Diamond Powder. So Diamond Powder up here and Duo Glow down here. As you can see, the Duo Glow powder is more like a moon dust. And I already did this side of my cheek with Diamond Powder and it looks so pretty. And this is why I was doing my look, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just come on to give you guys the tea on this Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow Mini Palette. I am not disappointed, guys. I'm really not disappointed. I really love the way this looks. So I applied the Diamond Glow, sorry, the Diamond Dust. So I'm going to apply the Duo Glow right now. Now when I apply my Diamond Glow, I use this brush right here. This is by BH Cosmetics. This is the V17 brush. I'm going to go on and do the other side of my face, which is hair, so you guys can see the highlighter action. And then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna top up this with the Duo Glow powder. So what I did when I applied this one onto my face, I applied it and I missed my brush. Just so that I don't overdo it. So I'm just gonna dab this in. Now I'm just gonna lightly mist my brush, and today I'm using the Mario Badescu aloe and a cucumber facial spray. So I'm gonna go like this. As you can see, highlighter action going on here, and I don't want to overdo it, so I'm just gonna dab in that highlighter. And another reason I use a smaller brush is because the highlighter pan is very small, and it's going to be a headache for me to be able to get the one color with my fan brush. So this is why I have decided to use this brush instead. So as you can see, this is what Diamond Glow is looking like. And remember it looked pink in the pan, but when you diffuse the color, it is a pretty goldish champagne, rosy, goldy color. It is amazing. I like the way it looks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on and apply that same highlighter to my nose. Apply a little bit just on my brow bone, and to do that I'm going to use my flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use my smudge brush for that. So I'm just going to lightly dab in there. I'm just going to apply it. By the way, if you want to see how I came up with this look, a review should be coming up. If it's up already, I'm gonna have the link in the video or on the description section. If it's not up yet, just know that this video will be coming up pretty soon. This is actually my spring inspired look, and I actually used the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette to do this look. Okay, so I'm gonna top up. This looks good. I'm going to go ahead and top up this the diamond dust the diamond powder. I'm gonna go ahead and top it up with the Duo Glow powder. So I'm going to use my fan brush. I'm gonna really try to do it like this because I really don't want too much of that moon dusty effect to my highlighter. So I'm going to use my fan brush and I'm just going to lightly apply this moon dust kind of. You know what? I think I need to miss my brush for that because the glitter in this highlighter is really loose and I kind of wanted to not travel too much when I'm applying it. This highlighter actually reminds me of Fenty Beauty's Diamond Dust highlighter, the diamond highlighter from her diamond collection. This really reminds me of it. Just the way that it applied on my face. I'm not saying it's the same formula, but just the way that it applied on my face reminds me so much of Miss Fenty's diamond highlighter. How ironic. My nose looks a little crazy from applying that moon dust thingy to it. So I'm going to grab this brush right here and I'm just going to dust off the excess. Now for the rest of my face, I'm going to go back with my beauty blender and I'm just going to press everything in. Okay, Sophie, so this is how the highlighter showed up on my face. Again, for this tutorial, well, for this part of my tutorial, this was the highlighter I used. I used the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow mini palette, and this is a mini diamond and glow palette. It has a blush and highlighter in it. I didn't use any of these powders as a blush. I used both of them as highlighters. But you have two shades in here. You have diamond powder and Duo Glow. Again, this is the shade diamond powder. This is the shade Duo Glow. So far, I can tell you that you do get a lot of fallout with this palette. This palette reminds me so much of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow palette because it was a glittery mess. It was a good glittery mess though. So this kind of reminds me of it. This cost about $22 at Sephora. This is what it was, the price it was when I went there. I know Sephora has been having quite a few sales lately, but when I purchased it, this was around the price range I paid for it. This should not cost you more than $25. So this is the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow highlighting palette, well, blush and highlighter palette. I really like it. Is it worth it? The whole fact that I had to miss my brush when I was using it, and considering that it is part of the high-end makeup range or the high-end makeup spectrum of the makeup industry, I didn't expect to be missing my brush for it. But apart from that, I mean, it's okay. It worked as it should. I really love the color. I really love the highlighter payoff in it. It does remind me of the Fenty Beauty Diamond highlighter. Is it the same? I don't know. I'm just a bit too lazy to pull up my Diamond Glow highlighter, but it does remind me of it. I know the Diamond Glow highlighter has more of a spreadable consistency to it. This one was more on the powdery consistency, so this is why I know that there's a complete difference between this one and Fenty's diamond highlighter. So is it Sophy approved? Yes, it is Sophy approved, but I don't think it's a biggie. I don't think it's a big deal. I wouldn't say that this is something that you must get. I'm kind of disappointed, but I mean, it's okay. Not too disappointed where I will give it a Sophy May. So it is Sophy approved. I did like it. I like the color payout. I just didn't like the fact that I had to miss my brush, because normally when I buy high-end highlighters or high-end makeup, or makeup from the high-end names that you are hearing all over the place, I expect it to perform up to pristine level. And yes, this performed up to pristine level, but I don't think that there was a need to miss my brush for it to work. Like, why would I have to miss my brush for it to work? If it was an eyeshadow palette, I would understand, but this is just a palette with 2 shades, so I don't know. That is just how I feel. This is just my opinion. Please don't come for me, but this is just what I think about this eyeshadow palette, this highlighter and blush palette. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Yes, it is Sophy approved. I hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the Madame Sophy channel. This is the highlighter action I'm getting from it. I've seen better. I have better highlighters that perform better than this, but I mean, okay, oh well, it is okay. It's not much of a big deal. So definitely it is Sophy approved. I wouldn't say that it is a must-have. It is not a must-have. I'm a little disappointed in regards to its performance, but it's okay. It works like it's supposed to, but it's not much of a big deal, and it's not a must-have in my books. So that's gonna be it for today, Sophias. I hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you to my subscribers for stopping by again. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. Don't forget to be part of the Sophia's Mix if this is your first time visiting my channel, by hitting that notification bell. And you need to hit that notification bell to be part of the Sophia squad, because you are a sophisticated lady. Alright, so till then, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be fabulous. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.